Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to turn on safe mode in Google Chrome. Okay, let's start. Open your Google Chrome app. Click on three dot icon in the corner. Click on settings. Click on privacy and security. Scroll down. Click on safe browsing. Select standard protection. Go back and scroll down. Click on use secure DNS. Select choose another provider. Click here. Click on clean browsing family filter. Okay, that's it. In this way you can easily turn on safe mode in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.